Breaking news coming in at this point in time. More information on this particular story. Sources have told Times Now that after facing a backlash from the BJP regarding the statement on Muslim reservation, Congress leadership in fact had asked DK Shiv Kumar to clarify his stand, and later both DK Shiv Kumar as well as Randeep Surjewala, in fact who is Karnataka's Congress in charge, issued a clarification stating that it is the BJP that is spreading misinformation regarding this issue, as DK Shiv Kumar never said that constitution will be changed. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the phone line for more on this. Niyamika, this is an important piece of information you're bringing for our viewers. So it clearly shows that when this issue was raised in the parliament today, in Rajya Sabha specifically, then the Congress High Command did take note and DK Shiv Kumar was asked to give a clarification.
Well, indeed, and that is the only reason why we have seen that how there was a ruckus which was being seen during the parliament session as well. And earlier also in the past, we have seen that it is the same argument which was being brought in by the Congress party against the BJP that they want to change the constitution during the Lok Sabha elections. And now it is the BJP who is targeting the Congress party with the same accusation by the statement which was recently being given by the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. DK Shiv Kumar. And that is the only reason why a lot of backlash has been faced by the Congress party from today morning onwards, and for that reason now the Congress leadership, we have been told that the Congress leadership has asked Mr. DK Shiv Kumar to issue a clarification regarding this entire matter. And soon after that, it was not just Mr. DK Shiv Kumar but also Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala, who is the Karnataka Congress in charge, who had issued a clarification regarding this entire matter by saying that BJP is basically spreading misinformation. They have misinterpreted the statement which was being given by Mr. DK Shiv Kumar, as he had never said that there will be changes in the constitution. As recently we have also seen that how Mr. DK Shiv Kumar has also given a media bite in which he has stated that a frustrated BJP, its state and central leadership and its Union Minister Kiren Rijiju are resorting to brazen and blatant lies to malign the Congress party. So basically the Congress party is completely distancing itself from any such remarks, saying that it is basically the BJP who is trying to spread misinformation to malign the image of the Congress party, as Mr. DK Shiv Kumar has never stated that there will be some amendments that is going to be made in the constitution. Recently we have also seen that how the BJP is targeting the Congress party for giving 4% reservation to the Muslim people, as they are saying that it is against the constitution, as our constitution doesn't give any right for a religion-based reservation. So for that reason, now once again this entire issue has been raised up by the BJP, because of which the Congress party is facing a lot of backlash.
All right. Niyamika, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with all of those details. But it seems the damage has already been done, because the clarification by DK Shiv Kumar did not really spare him from the attack of the BJP. Listen in to this reaction from Shehzad Poonawala.
DK Shiv Kumar ji has admitted, candidly confessed that yes, I was speaking about changing the constitution, and he has admitted that the Muslim reservation is anti-Ambedkar, it is illegal, it is unconstitutional, it can't be given unless you are destroying and tarnishing the constitution. But now in the name of clarification, DK Shiv Kumar says that I was just speaking casually about changing the constitution. So changing constitution is casual affair for Congress. Constitution thrashing and constitution trampling is casual affair for Congress.
And viewers, this entire episode in fact triggered a massive war of words between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Calling the Congress party the modern Muslim League, BJP netas are saying that the party not only disrespects Dr. Ambedkar but is also trying to make India an Islamic nation. Listen in.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी के असली चेहरे सामने आए। डीके शिव कुमार राहुल गांधी के कठपुतली हैं, और ये बयान दर्शाता है कि राहुल गांधी की मानसिकता क्या है। क्या देश को वो इस्लामिक राष्ट्र बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या संविधान में बाबा साहेब का नाम लेने वाले लोग, संविधान दिखा करके लोगों को भ्रम पैदा करने वाले कांग्रेस पार्टी राहुल गांधी, आज संविधान का शपथ लेने वाला, आज हिडन एजेंडा सामने आया। क्यों ना आए? मनमोहन सिंह ने भी कहा था कि अगर भारत के संसाधन पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है, ये कांग्रेस का हिडन एजेंडा है। मैं तो कहता हूं कि डी के शिव कुमार को तुरंत बर्खास्त करना चाहिए।